It's Jennifer with ActivWall, and today I want to show you a really awesome door unit. This is a 6-panel folding door by ActivWall Systems. What's special about this unit is that it is set up in a 3 left, 3 right configuration. Let me show you what it can do. Imagine you have this door at your home to separate your outdoor patio to your indoor living space. This unit has 2 swing doors. One swing door can be used for daily use, just to enter and exit your home. Now, if you want to prop this door open to let the fresh air in, each of our units comes with magnetic standoffs so that you can securely latch that door into place. So this opening is convenient, but if we're having a cookout this weekend, we need a wider opening. We're going to unlock the second panel and attach it to the magnetic standoff. Now you have an open and welcoming gathering space so that your friends and family can flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces. I bet you have a lot more friends, don't you? I got you. We're going to open the next 2 panels to create a much wider opening for entertaining your friends. But wait, isn't this your year to host a family reunion? Yeah, don't worry, we got you. Open up the next 2 panels. Now you have a wide open space for your friends, family, and loved ones to be able to enjoy time outside on the patio and by the pool and float inside to your indoor spaces. This door system by ActivWall really does it all. And when the festivities are over, it is so easy to close, lock down, and secure your space with the ActivWall folding doors. And that's it. One great door with so many possibilities. Each of our units is made in Martinsville, Virginia, and we ship nationwide. We would love to help build a custom ActivWall door for your unique space. So visit our link in the bio to request a quote today.